Here we have the next big thing in the industry, and that's color change PPF. It is no longer just about protection. You can now transform the look of your car while also shielding it from everyday wear and tear. Paint protection film is a self-healing, multi-layer film that defends against scratches, rock chips, road debris, and UV rays that can quickly fade your paint. It is also hydrophobic, which means dirt, bugs, tree sap won't stick, making it easier to clean. With Color Change PPF, you get all of the protective benefits plus the custom color of your choice, which would be installed by a certified professional using industry-leading film. This protection is designed to last up to 10 years and includes a manufacturer-backed warranty. Click the link to schedule your Color Change PPF.